When we want to control some electronic devices, touch control is one of the most efficient and easy methods. How about controlling a DC circuits on-off by just a touch of a finger? Let's see how to do that. I have purchased a TTP223 touch key module which is really cheap. Link in the description. It can handle a voltage that is DC voltage of 2 volt to 5.5 volt. It has only 3 pins. VCC is the positive input, then ground, and the IO pin is the positive switch connection which connects to the load. Diagram is on our screen and it's really simple diagram. But normally this switch works as a momentary switch. It turns on when we touch it and turns off when we release the touch. We can make it a normal switch, like turns on with a touch, stays turned on until we touch it again. As we see, there are 2 connection points on the board which is marked as A and B. We need to short or connect the 2 points of B only. That can easily be done with a soldering iron, and as you see, I have done it. Let's try the module again. This time, as we see, it turns on with a single touch and stays turned on until we touch the module again to turn it off. Now it is working as a toggle switch between on and off with just a touch of a finger. Let's connect over some next topics. Thanks for watching.